Here is a packet of toilet rim blocks to help keep your toilet clean. Do we know how to use them correctly? Well, I found this hack that will help us to keep the toilet clean and use the rim block effectively. It says on the rear of the packet of the rim blocks that to place the rim block on the rim of the toilet and position in the flow of the water. Is that going to affect us in any way? As per the instructions on the packet, it says place on the rim. That could become ineffective when it comes to cleaning our toilet, as this is in the way and we have to remove it. Here's a simple hack that I found that won't interfere with the cleaning and to get the maximum usage out of the toilet block, rim block itself. Here we have the rim block, and as you can see, you would normally hook that over the side of the rim. However, if you take it out of the packaging and leave it just as it is, turn it around so it's facing outwards like so, and just pop it up on the inside of the rim, shoving it up, and there it is, all nice and secure. So when you come and flush the toilet, it works effectively and you'll be able to clean the rim of the toilet without any interference from the toilet block. I hope this hack helped. Please stay tuned for more tips.